So my workbench should open soon.
All right.
So we did. Let me just go into this. So we talked about what we call like account management and everything. Okay. So for this is my SQL workbench. So as I log into this connection, that's created a session. So this is a session. I can create the system credential is root, and I have my password. So I can create some other users. So probably if I want another person to have access to this database, I can create a user for that person, whereby the person can, just like your normal computer, you have your own login credentials, then you can create a guest credentials for
Okay.
someone that wants to log into your system, but it might have some limited access to some files.
Yeah, so it seems restricted here.
If I should come to administration, you can see administration and schemas here. Where's my
Yeah, I
mouse?
see it. I can see it. Yeah.
If I go to administration here, I will see users privilege index. So if I click on this now, another tab is being created. I can see the list of users I've created. So I've did one user like that. So I have,
Okay.
in this one, I have this is my own credential. You can see this, the privileges I have here, administrative role, all checked. So you see the description for all these role. For DBA, you have this role. For user admin, you have this role. Now you can also select schema privileges. That is, okay, you want to for this guy you already had all the privileges. So if you want to add entry, say okay, maybe for a particular user, maybe I just select schema matching, or you can just select schema. Then maybe on this particular DB, say SQL invoicing. Okay, for SQL invoicing, you just want this person to have this create privilege, get and all the rest. You can say you want the person to have grant privileges, you check it. You want the person to have select, you check it. On this particular database, you can do
Okay.
like that. So let me just delete entry. So first of all, let me create another user. So I can come here. I can create another user manually from this place. I should be able to do that. So let me see. Uh, can I do that? Okay, let me just write the code to do that. So I will just type create user, then I'll put the name. Let's say I want to create a user called Emiola. Do you have your Do you have your MySQL? You have your MySQL workbench open on
Open
your
workbench. Yes, I
right?
do.
Okay. Let's say I want to create a user called Emiola,
Yeah.
identified by. I can just put the password. I think. Let's see. Emiola 123. Uh, so I think user has been created. Let me check this guy. Let me close this guy and open it. So let me open user. You can see Emiola here.
Yeah. See.
So Ariola is identified by this password, Ariola. So let's say I want to, okay, I want to grant Ariola privileges. I can say, okay, I can give him a role. A role is just like a named to name the kind of privilege that kind of person have. I can say write to code and reverse engineer. I don't want to, okay. I just give the person schema privileges and say, okay, add entry. I want the person to have privilege on SQL underscore HR. Then I have to have a select statement, maybe just a select statement. Then I will just click on apply here. And
Okay.
this is done. So let me say I go back to home now. I want to log in as Ariola. I want to connect using Ariola. I can just say I can create a connection here. Then this user is going to be, I can say my session, and I will say Ariola here. Then put the password I gave it, Ariola 123. Okay. Then test connection. You can see successfully made the SQL connection. Then
Yeah.
okay. And I can click on this guy now. And this guy is here. Now I can do select. You can even see by default it's only SQL HR that is appearing
Yes,
here
sure.
because that's
Yeah.
the only thing you
That's
have
good.
access to. So select star from SQL underscore HR dot employees. You can add these guys. Now let me now say let me write a drop statement. Drop table. This is going to create prompt an error because you don't have the privilege to do this thing. You can see that you have an error here and
Okay. Yeah.
so you can only do a select statement based on what are assigned to that person. So in this guy now, I can say, okay, if I give this guy some kind of privilege, say grant option, it means that or it means that this guy can grant privileges to other users. I can give him a create. If I give the person a create right, digital right, the person should be able to create table. The person should be able to even create user self for another person to create another user. So the person can create another user. The person can grant privileges if I have the grant if the grant option is here. So I want to check from that your side. Uh, so I want to check from your end there. I want you to do something for me. Go to this
Okay.
create option. Go to this create option.
All right.
Are you there?
Um, coming. Uh, okay, I'm there.
Okay, put any connection in there.
Any connection name?
You can put any name you like.
Okay. All right. I've done that.
Okay, put this These ones are there automatically. I mean, this IP address are there. And what's there? Is not what you have there.
That's what I have there. Yes.
Okay, put Ariola as username.
Okay. I've done that.
Okay, go to stored in default. Put Ariola 123, like in
One,
lowercase.
yeah.
Ariola 123. Click OK.
Okay.
Try and click on test connection.
Yeah, I've done that.
Did you click on test connection?
Yes.
What did you do?
I'm getting access denied now.
That's what you got when you test the connection.
Yes.
So this is not for commercial use, but you can do that. You can access a database from anywhere. Provided that you have the credentials, you have the service name and all of that. So that's for commercial
Okay.
purpose. So let's continue. That's okay. So that is one. That is I think that I explained that. So and we explained the concept of creating procedure and all of that, and we saw how procedures go on. So now today, I think I'll focus on something entirely. Maybe tomorrow we can talk about functions, how to create stored function.
Okay.
How, but if we still have time, we can talk about this stored function. So now we are not going to write our query from workbench now. So we want to start writing our query in the shell, our SQL shell. So I will go to your start button, uh, type shell, type shell. You see my SQL shell. Did you see my SQL shell?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay. So enter. It should give you something. Are you seeing something like this here?
I'm seeing it. Yeah.
Is it the same thing like
I'm
this?
there right now. Yes.
So
MySQL JS. Yes. Same thing.
do backward slash. Is this backward slash or forward slash? Forward slash.
But
It's backward.
yeah.
Okay, backward slash SQL and click on enter. So what do you have?
I have the same thing as you have.
This one is the
MySQL.
Java. This one is the JavaScript mode, and you are in the SQL mode now. So
Okay.
so we try to connect to our connect to the SQL server using our credentials. So backwards slash connect, then specify your username, which is root at is local host. Since you are running on your you are running this
Okay.
thing in the server line, so root as local host, then enter. So it's going to require us to put your password. Abi, right?
Look at local. Yes.
I put my password. You can put your password in that regard. Put my password. And press enter. So do you have something like this, like save password for root at local host?
Okay. Um,
Is it telling to say password? Blah blah blah.
sorry, I'm coming. Let me try again. I'm still getting an error here.
You are getting an error.
I think
What
I'm
what did,
I'm not putting the right thing.
how did you type it? Is it the same way I'm typing it here? Backward slash,
Yeah,
then connect, then space, then root at local host.
I am good now. Yeah. Provide a password. Yeah, I'm good.
So you are here, Abi,
Yes.
on the same page. Okay. So I will just type capital M to show that no, I'm not saving my password. Then we
Capital
have
N.
this.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we have this. Do you have this too?
Yeah, I do.
So we can now, it's going to tell you that commands end with the semicolon, which is the normal delimiter we use to end our command.
Okay.
So let's say I want to show tables. I want to show tables that I have in this. I want to show table command. Okay, no database selected. Okay, no database selected. Let me use, so to select the database, we use command. So let me use SQL underscore HR. So SQL underscore HR is in use. Fetching the table and column names from library for auto completion. Press this to stop. Okay, so uh, so I want to fetch. Sorry, I want to show the tables under SQL underscore HR. I can type show tables. And one, these are the tables I have here. This is my output table. The tables in SQL underscore HR. I have M underscore star underscore cat, employees and offices. So I can also select star. Let's now select star from offices. Already in use, I don't need to reference the database again. I do this.
Okay.
So this is what I have. Office ID, address, city, state, and that's it. So since I know that, okay, so I want to, so let's say I want to select from a particular database that is not currently in use. I have to locate that database. So let's say I want to select star. I don't know, I can't remember the from SQL underscore HR dot. Okay, let me just say show databases. Uh, we are in end with the colon, that's why, in the semicolon. So these are the databases that I have. I can show databases. I have information underscore schema, my underscore DB, my SQL performance underscore schema. I might be curious. So let me see what's inside performance save. So information underscore schema, right? Performance underscore schema. Select. So these are system databases. Though I don't know. Hmm. Okay, what I can just do is I want to do something like this. Describe. Can I use describe? Let me see describe word. Okay. I can only use that to reference. what I want to do is I want to show the I want to this guy to show the tables in this database. Let's say
Okay, okay.
show tables in Sakura. That is good enough.
Hmm.
This from Sakura. This works fine. What's that? So show tables from Sakila. We have these tables in Sakila. Uh, are you following?
I'm with you, yes.
Okay. Okay. Let me see what's inside the information schema. Show tables from performance plus schema. This is a long one. This is a long one. Wow. So these are the things that are inside it. It is well. It is. So I can say select. I want to see what's inside that user table. Maybe it's gonna hold information about users. So select star. Do you have the information that's called schema in your own? You should have it.
What?
You should have this information that's called
No,
schema in database.
I have all this. I'm not even able to connect to the show yet. I'm just trying this stuff. I don't just stop what you're doing. Like I'm not able to connect to the show from my what's it called? It's telling me unexpected identifier. Yeah. So use
I don't understand. I don't understand. What's it telling you?
as an unexpected identifier
Like you are unable to connect to what?
to the show, like from my SQL. Every other thing was going well, but when I typed the use, I wanted to bring the SQL HR in, so it's not going through.
Do you have what did you type? SQL underscore HR. That way you typed.
Yes, that was what I typed, and I have it on my main workbook.
Type show databases. Have you typed show databases? Type show databases and end it a semicolon and one.
I'm still getting the same thing. Unexpected identifier.
Please share your screen. Did you hear me?
Yes. Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
Um. Sorry.
You're not connected to your PC before.
I'm connected. I'm trying to run this. Okay, back. Okay. So that's what I'm getting.
Oh, okay. Names.
What is it?
Now I'm trying to see what you. I think this your own shell is white. Is quite different. So the way you are going to type, the way you are going to type your command.
Okay, it's be different. My God.
Yeah. So
Wow.
try and do. Okay, let me see. Let's see. Go scroll up. Okay, scroll up, scroll up. Okay.
Yeah, this is the beginning.
No, no, no. Just use this instead unknown command. When you use this backslash SQL, we gave you this unknown command.
Yeah.
When you use this, okay, you now specify connect with at local. Okay. Now did this creating a session. Okay. Then you must say connection ID is server version. Okay. Now if you want to type that your use this thing again.
Okay.
I don't know why it's still bringing that JS stuff. It's
Oh.
not supposed to bring that JS stuff beside you. So type backward slash, backward slash, that backward slash. Then type
Yeah.
use SQL underscore HR. Enter. It puts colon and
It's a
semicolon.
column, yeah. Column,
Semicolon.
not semicolon. Column.
And this no, this semicolon.
Okay.
Click on enter.
Say the same thing.
Remove that colon, then put it. Remove that colon. Just type up. Type click on up. Then remove that colon. Backspace to remove that colon. No, no. The semicolon. Remove the
Okay.
semicolon. Enter.
Access to the
Okay.
database.
Okay. I think you have it now. Well, do you select star from employees?
Without the okay. Select.
Select star from employees. No, it's not cap. I don't know. It's not. You don't necessarily need to put capital letter. So employees. Enter. Remove that backward slash. Just click on up and go and remove it. No, go to the yeah. Enter.
Okay, I'm still getting there. Uh,
Click for click on show databases. Type show databases. Where is the backward slash?
okay. Without the backward slash.
Uh, show databases. Scroll down
Yeah.
so that yes, scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, there. Enter. Then put the backward slash behind databases.
Behind the databases now.
Show. Behind show. Yeah.
All right.
Con
Let's see.
close this shell and open it again. Close this shell and open it again. Just open that. Right. I don't know why your shell is like this. It looks good.
I'm not bored ourselves because I got the right one. What is it again, self? Oh boy. So it's back.
What's back?
I'm back on the show now. Can you see my screen?
I can't see your screen.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Can you see now?
Yes, I can see it. Yeah, type that backward slash. Then put my SQL. Let's try that. Backward slash my SQL.
Okay.
Enter. Yeah, put backward slash SQL. Enter.
Yeah. Okay, session with this.
This this is what you are supposed to have before.
Okay.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, connect. Backward slash connect. Then root space
Roots.
root at localhost. Enter. Don't need to put backward. Don't put colon. Enter.
Password.
Capital N. This is what you're supposed to have now. So
Okay.
yeah, type use SQL underscore HR, then end it with the semicolon underscore HR. You don't need to put capital letter underscore HR.
All right.
End it semicolon. Enter. You have it now. You have it now. That's what you have. Click on show databases. Type show databases. End it semicolon. Enter. So
Okay.
you can do a select star from employees. You can do a select star from employees. It's going to give you a result. End it semicolon. Just type semicolon and enter.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let me share my screen back. Thank you. So that is by the way. So okay, I think we are good. Ask what's inside the users table, performance, get users. Is this performance underscore schema safe? Let me check again. Performance underscore schema. What am I now typing? I'm typing the wrong thing. We have user, okay. Current connections, okay. Okay. That's so are we on the same page now?
Sorry. I'm trying to enlarge my screen. Okay. Okay. Enlarged. Um. Okay. How come you're the variable information, variable threads, and stuff seen?
Uh, show show tables from performance schema. I said she showed databases and it gave me um, Give me all these databases. It gave me all these databases.
Okay.
So when you type show databases, do you have this information schema and performance schema?
Um,
You can just type show databases again and try and see it instead of having to scroll up and check.
I have the information schema and performance schema. Yeah, information invoicing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I just checked the performance schema. So what I just did is I showed tables from performance schema. So I can see the tables
Okay.
on, so I can see all these tables there. So I just check up on this user's table by referencing performance schema. So let's say I want to see the version of this server. You can see select version and maybe the current date. Then you have my version is 8.0.20. I think that should be the same thing as version. And the current system date is 8th of August 2020. Hello.
I'm here.
Okay. Sorry, I just did something. Sorry, hold on.
All right.
Are you still there?
I'm still here. Yes.
Okay. So you can also I can also do something like there's something.
So okay.
Yeah.
Um,
So
my version is actually 8.0.21. I think that's why I was getting the something for.
okay, I think it's more. It's a little bit weighted more than my own. So I can see the current user, which is root as localhost. That's the issue. So if you want to, let me say select user now. You know, let me say select user now. You know, I didn't end this thing properly, right?
Oh yeah.
So if I should click on enter, it's going to request me that I should, like, it's going to prompt me that I think I still have something I need to enter again before I can run this command. So it's like it's telling me that I have incomplete command line. So let's say I don't want to run this query again. And I want to see whether this is going to work. Backward C. By type backward C, you should terminate that command, but it's not terminating. I think the way I think it's caret sign, let's call it, and C. Let's see. So it's not working.
So backward C is meant to cancel, like you want to cancel yourself from any points.
So I don't know why it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. Just end it.
Or doesn't actually have to? Okay.
So let me do something like I should have done this before. Okay, backward slash help. Let me see something. Exit my spreadsheet so my screen is forever. Ah, not your system editor. Different numbers are just calling me. I don't understand. So, I don't think I can find something like that. So, I don't know. So, I can't find that anyway. So, we can do that. We can, everything you can do on shell, on workbench. If you, so most people that uses this interface are all those database engineers. They usually like using shell command line.
Sure.
Yeah, instead of using the MySQL workbench. So mostly all the things you can do in workbench, you can do it here if you have if you know all the commands to
Commands. Yeah.
unlike workbench is like you can flex. It's not everything you have to use command to do. You can just do right click, do something like this, go to a particular, now. So
Yeah.
it's
You can navigate through and have options like that.
yes, it's kind of flexible. But here you write command to to do everything. Okay. Let me see. I want to do something. Grant. I want to use grant privilege.
Okay.
Grant of the user is Eniola. So Eniola. Another number entirely. Eniola.
Ariola.
Oh, sorry, Eniola.
Eniola. Okay.
Eniola. That's the user. Let's see at the localhost. Let me see what this guy is going to do. Me. Anything. Hold on. You have an error in your space
Yeah.
project. Let me remove this. Let me remove this quotation mark.
Okay.
Let me try this. The problem machine.
The backward slash is not there at all, or it's not necessary.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Okay. We get there, Sha. We get there. So I can create a database. I can create tables. Anything I can do, anything I can do on my SQL workbench, I can do on shell. I can do on shell. So some shell might not look like this, might look different. Look at your own shell. It looks old fashioned. It looks like old fashioned. Like seriously. So if you want to see the characteristics of the table, I think we know that. So I'm currently using SQL HR, as you can see here. I think it's the same thing as should be the same thing as what you have on your at your end. So I can just explicitly state describe let's say employees. It- it- this field gives you the column name, the type gives you the data type, so employee with integer, this varchar of size 50, all these are integer. This one is saying that okay, employee ID that cannot take null values, this cannot
No values, yeah.
report to say that yes, I can take null values. Now employee ID is the primary key. This is not a key. I think this ones I don't really know what this is, but it's like this guy, the like they are a reference to a particular table. That's why you have all this. So that being reference to another table. So default is null. That is, if you don't specify the value, it can take null. But this cannot take null because it's a primary key.
Primary key, yeah.
Yes. So extra properties, they don't have any extra properties. So since we are in the shell, now the way the way you load table, blah blah blah, you load data into um, MySQL bench, you can't have that flexibility. So you can write the code to do that. So you load. So let's see, I don't know. So in this case, let's see, let's create a dummy data. Do I have a dummy data that I can use? Let me check whether I have a dummy data I can use. Let me check if I have a dummy data. So let me check my file explorer. Please, you guys should stop calling me. I have a program I have to attend. Like,
Oh,
so hold on. Right?
all right.
Yeah. Mhm. So please hold on just a minute.
No problem.
So, hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
so I was trying to check for a particular data set. So
Okay.
let me see. I want to do this guy. Let me check this data is. So let me see. Okay, let me see how to do this guy. Okay, I want to import this data to
Okay. The show.
this. I think this one has how many columns does this data has? It's looking somehow.
I
Okay,
think it should be four.
this one row is a one row data.
Oh,
It's not appropriate.
okay.
Let me check this guy. Okay, this one is more appropriate. Okay, so I want to load this data into the so I can just say so what's the name? Count RGS update. So I can create a table that has that guy. Create CPG underscore RGS. So I have to specify table. So then CMC is going to be integer. Let me go and do RGS update. RGS. This is the voucher. It's wave date is already just put the voucher. Who is the date value? So let's see this guy. What's the name again? I have sum total and percent. Sum total is percent. Then I will end this. I need a comma key. So let me just leave this like this. Ah, I think we've created CPG underscore output. So it's going to be under SQL HR by default.
Okay.
So empty set, there's nothing there. That's why it's a blank. So let me now use the load data info again. Load what's the part way I have to what is the same as we see then how does that station okay let me do I want to do I want to do it I can't remember so let me just do this. So let me go on mute for a while because some things are just happening here. I don't really understand. Okay. Uh,
All right.
so so let me just go to our environment again. So I want to look at the pattern of my list. So I'll just type in here. This how gets to okay. So it's just like I want to do some wait, this is what I'm but it's under downloads. My data is under downloads. Where's my share again? So I can just specify the path here. Machines. So okay, users okay, okay. So see then users then I think it's slash here. And slash downloads. And what's the name of my data again? CB2 underscore RTS underscore 5. But this like an Excel kind of data.
Excel. Okay.
How am I going to app issue it is 5 minutes MTH. Yes. So into what do you want to do with this?
CBRG.
So let me first of all into the table. error. The MySQL server is running it.
Okay. You can't load it.
Uh, okay. Let me try to do something now. Loading local data is disabled. Hmm. This must be enabled on both the client and server side. How do I do this now? I have to read me about this. So that is that is the concept of loading data. So maybe in the next class we're going to explore that. I will have explored that also.
Uh, all right.
So we can insert into data into tables. Let me check. Uh, Let me check what's inside my DB, for example. Should, okay, should table my underscore DB. And we have something like this. Okay, I have this. Okay, so let's start. You know, let's do underscore HR. Let's compose. So underscore IDB is SQL underscore class. So I want to insert into this guy, insert into SQL underscore HR with employees. I must usually type in SQL underscore HR. IDB gets SQL underscore class. What are the values I want to put inside?
Okay.
Okay, I want my my student ID to be 5. Okay, I'm also a student. Let me put my name. Okay, and my last name, then my gender, I mean my email, my email and address. If I type my address now, she may not track me like this. Hope will not come and track me. So let me just put that address. Okay, then put date of birth. I was given birth in the year 2021. So I'm a small boy. So I
Very,
want
very, very.
I'm a small boy. So I join this guy. Query okay, one row inserted or one row affected. Then I can just do a select star from that and by pressing my up button then. This guy will be inserted as number 5. Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
So I can also alter table SQL. So how am I going to SQL? My underscore D. Let me see update. my DB dot SQL underscore class. And now see other table this as a set address. I've not tried this before. I think we should go. Comma DOB equals to, I'm just exploring. So 15, 45 body term of street. How am I going to have issue with this? Okay. I am going to explain now. So this guy was given birth in year 1999. 0721. Where student ID, the particular person, that particular person, Egiola, your name is not here. So for student ID, where student ID is equal to 7. So let me try this.
Check the amount of exponents here.
It's because of this guy that I put here. Set address. So let me just do something like this. Set address. Set address equals to this. So I want to escape this AND operator, and DOB is equals to this. Yeah. Okay. I cannot do that. Wow. Very serious. Let me see again. Update table this. Set this to be equals to this, and the date of birth to be equals to this, where student ID is equals to 7. Okay. Now, okay, let's remove this guy. Let's remove this second condition. I want it again. Okay, I think that's not the issue. What's this saying? Conditions. Okay. With truncated incorrect double value. Okay. So what if I do something like this? And this you can be really fun. Maybe it's because of this comma that is here.
Oh.
Remove the comma. I don't think it's the comma. So let me remove the template. So let me remove the template. And try to do this. So this is actually very stressful for me now. How would you tell me to do that? How would you just tell me to do that? Okay, let me not do the template again now. So I think it's really just very stressful. So I said that guy is born in 1999, and 07 and 21. Okay, DOB. Zero. So let's do a select start from that table.
Okay.
Okay. Interesting. 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 Let's see some other things. We can. Yep. Now see something.
No, no.
So another thing that you can select. I think I've explained the concept of joins and all the likes of that. You can do. Let's see something like this. Say select star or okay employees. I can select from multiple tables, comma offices. Let's see what you guys get to look at. Did you see that? Sorry, hold on.
Oh.
Give me a minute. I want to pee.
All right.
So I'm back. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
So what this is doing is doing a cross join. It's doing a cross join. Now you can see for job title accountants, look at it. It joins with the office, the complete office table from here to this place. So first of all, it picks all the offices. So for account executive, picks for the whole office table. Okay. That's from here. You know, this one is highlighting everything here. Just from here to this place. So the
Okay.
accountant executive matches with office ID. Then executive summary
Secretary.
starts matching again from here. Then statistician 3 starts matching again from here. So it's a cross join. Now, so if I have, let's say if I have 20 rows in employees now, and I have 10 rows in offices. So the number of rows I'll be returned in total now is 20 times 10. That's 200 rows. So that's what cross join does for you. But it's not so if I want to do make it do inner join now. So I have to put the on cross here on employees. So I'll join based on what the column that is common to both of them. Office underscore ID is equals to offices dot office underscore ID. Am I missing something? On let's start from employees from our offices. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have to use the join class. So I have to use the join class. It's not going to work. It's not going to work like this. Okay, let me do something. Okay. So I have to use the join class to do that. But you doing that, you are doing a cross join. But you can select from multiple tables. Or so instead of I put on plus, I can now specify what is calling me. I can now say where of employees dot office ID is equals to this. So that is up.
Getting hard. Hmm. Offices. Dot office. Authority. Oh, why can't I slow like this? Ah. Ah, yeah, yeah, oh, you want to see it? Okay. Sorry. I think I need this file it's using too. More, this is a large. Okay. One, two. Wow.
So hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes.
Okay, so let me sure. So okay, so as you can see here, so in this regard you have to put a where clause. So I did where the office ID for employees equals the office ID for offices. This is going to do the inner join for you. So this is an inner join instead of a whole cross join. So I guess you can see the difference here. Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Okay. So you can use this. This guy can substitute for inner join. So let's do inner join and compare with what you have here. So select star from employees join offices join offices. Let me just get an alias to stress me to give me the stress. A dot office underscore ID equals office underscore ID. So, so what's the difference between this guy and this guy?
See.
There's no difference now.
It's the same thing, yeah. Everything's the same.
So you can this guy can substitute for inner join between two two tables. You can do the inner join between three tables as long as they have that you can buy them with. So so let's also do you know what order by does now? Order by
Bye.
order by is to sort
Okay.
your data.
Okay,
So
yeah, sort, yeah. Order by.
start from
That's what.
FBS, then order by
Yeah.
you can order by a column, you can order by two columns, you can order by three columns. So let's say order by first name, uh, comma, last name. But you want this now. You want this now. So, so what do you think is going to do? What do you think is going to do?
The order by.
Yes, this order by. What do you think is doing?
Yeah, so it should arrange the names, the first name and the last name.
So please, do your Washington level chance again.
So
And remember, write down.
So first of all, it's going to consider the ordering by first name. Now after it has done that, then it's going to consider the ordering by last name. So
Okay.
that is what it's going to do exactly. So so first of all, order by first name, you can see the order.
Okay.
Then
Now
the
it's
order
order.
this one, though the order last name, this last name I don't really count because after I've ordered this one, then the ordering of this one is going to follow. Is going to be so there's no way I can say okay. Is it because I say order first name now? So then maybe order by
Now
last name.
it's like the last
This
name.
one now,
Yeah.
this one now come first
Okay.
because
Yeah.
they don't align. So they don't align. So they don't align. So look at this, but look at this now. This one is
The
EE,
first
right?
name is aligned. Yeah.
Yes. So but EL comes before ES, that's why it is ordered by this. But because this one start from D now, it doesn't mean that this one not coming. So first of all, so order by doing order by two columns is not really necessary. It's not really necessary because that second column will not really count. But then
Yeah.
you can order by position instead of specifying the name. So if I want to order by first name, for example, now I can just what's the column, what's the position of first name is in the second position. I'll say order by two.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
you have this same result. You have the same result as it is here. I'm doing 25 things at a time. Just analyze, just analyze. Let me. So okay. Mm, Also, that being said, we talked about some functions in MySQL, and we have talked about some most of these functions you can use current dates and date difference, aggregating functions, and the likes of them. But let's see so that we can explore some more. Okay. So boolean values now. Boolean values now. Uh, 0 is identified as true, while 1, so what am I saying? 0 is defined as false, while null, while 1 is defined as true. 0 is defined as false, while 1 is defined as true. So let's say, let me do something. Select first. So let me use let me use this report to, yeah, let me use this report to, okay, let me say salary, select salary,
Okay.
select salary greater than 50,000. Employees, yeah. So do you see this?
Um,
Okay, let me kind of tweak it. Okay, I'll say select. Let me put 60,000. Let me put 60,000 here.
yeah.
Then salary, comma, salary greater than 50,000. So what this one is doing that, okay, it's only a brilliant value. So check, is this guy greater than 60,000? If yes, if it is true, put 1. Is this greater than, if it is true, put 1. If it
This
is
one.
not, 0. So ones are zeros are boolean uh, values that are represented in my SQL. I think maybe other database management system too. So let me ask, 0 is 0 null? Is 0 in no value?
Um,
Okay, let me type something. Select 0
eh,
0 is not null, comma, uh, comma, it's null. So what do you think is going to return? Let me just scroll up so you can see very well.
okay. Okay, so it should not be null then.
Which one?
I mean, like zero shouldn't be null because null is like an empty value, like empty on its own.
So is it null or not null?
Not null.
Okay. So it means this first one should return 0, right, as a result. Right? So it means that if what you are saying is right, this first one should return 1. Okay, this one.
It should be like a. I mean, the first notion, okay, zero is null. Then, like I'm saying, like zero is not null now.
Right now, you are saying that 0 is not null now.
Yes, yes,
So that's what I'm saying. That this, this is going to give you a colon. Is
exactly. Yeah,
so this should return 0 as the answer. That is false, right?
false. Yes,
So this one should return 1 as it's true.
as it true. Yes.
So this over this.
I'm saying, what am I saying?
Like
Oh,
like empty
okay, empty.
empty quote.
Okay. So that's an empty quote.
Yeah, empty quotes, yes.
Okay, ask me what that one should return.
Yeah.
Wait.
Give me a minute. I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you.
Okay. I said I'm a bit lost. Like the first one is select zero is null or zero is not null. So this empty cell now is null and the other empty cell is not null. Are you asking whether it should be what it should return or their statement on their own?
Like, is a question. Okay, is an
Okay.
empty quote a null value? That's what you see.
Okay. And empty quote is a null value. Yes.
So what about? So it means that this one is going to return 1. This one is going to return 0.
Zero. Yeah.
Okay, should I go with?
Yes.
I feel like you're doing interview, Abi.
Something like that.
So, because you have. So this is false. This is true. This is false. This is true. Empty quote is not a null value.
Wow.
Well, it's not a null value. So
Okay. I mean, like it's only a null. It's only a null value. Or it will should return null if it's on the primary key. I'm trying to get this right. You know, like initially, like, a primary key can carry a null value, so you must
it's
count it there.
not, yes.
Okay. So if it's empty now, it will still place it there. So maybe if you want to update later.
You know, there's something called let me see. Let's describe what this is. No, no, no. Let me see. Okay, let me describe my understood deeply. Yes. Okay, this one is also. So what is just that null is null. Null means like in some programming language say NA, that is not available or not applicable. So null in this case is not an empty string. An empty quotation is not a null value. So empty quotation means it's not like there's nothing inside. So it's like you created a data set, but you just put it to be empty. Unlike I didn't put anything at all.
Okay.
You get I didn't put anything at all is what we call something else, something is null. There's nothing there. So we've talked about like we've talked about the like operator, how you can use the like operator, and that's made us talk about what we call wildcards. Talk about wildcards and regex. Talk about regex, regular expression, like the special type of like operator. Okay. Also, we've talked about count before, and we talked about count star. Talk about count star. Now, so if I say select count star from um, say employees now. This is going to count the number of rows in the employees table. So it means we have 20 rows. I can say, okay, don't say count star. I can say count these things. Count. Let me see this guy. So, count supposed to take something like a bracket himself. So I can't write something like count these things that. So I can't do that. I was just trying to check whether I can do something like that. So no, I can do that. So I can use the primary key to achieve something like that. I'll just say count these things. Instead of count these things that I say count these things employee ID. To achieve the same result. So there's what we call a row num. Let's say if I say select number, I don't know whether it's row num in I think let me see. That what this is going to become from employees. You know, sometimes I used to Oracle and MySQL together. So together, so it does not work. So let me put Pascal number. So let me try this. Let me now remove this guy. Okay, let me go and do this workbench. It gives you a kind of flexibility. If you are typing some functions, if it doesn't exist, it's going to tell you, it's going to give you the sense of using this guy. Don't know. Number is a keyword. So select uh, so I'm trying to I can't use this guy. I can't use this guy the way I used to use it in Oracle. I'm trying to say that I can use that. I can use it the way I used to use it in Oracle. So it's fine. Okay. Oh. Let's see some other things we can explore. So, yes. I saw something here. I saw something here. So look at something like this. Select. Let me. Are you with me?
I'm with you.
So select, there's this thing that is happening in SQL. Select, okay, let me say select uh, office ID now and do count star. I should want this now. You can see it gave me results.
Yeah.
This is very wrong. It's not supposed to happen in the first place. If you are doing if you are applying and running an aggregating function, it's you have and you are selecting another column with it because an aggregating function is supposed to return only one result unless you are doing a goodbye clause instead. So now look at what this guy did. You know office ID. So let me select office ID. Let me just select distinct office ID employees. You have 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11. The number of rows in employees table is usually 20, right? It returns 20 for you, right?
Yes.
We now return office ID 2. So what happens to office ID 3, 4, 10, and 11? So it just picks the first office ID and return the count star with it because normally this guy is supposed to return one result. Since you are not grouping by, you are selecting an office ID that is not one result. So you just pick the first one and return the count star, which does not really make sense. So to avoid this kind of error repeating itself, you are going to set something. Say set SQL mode to only reply. And that's how it's supposed to be. Set SQL mode to only full reply. So here you cannot try this rubbish that I just tried now. You cannot try it again.
Okay.
So let me run that query again. Select office ID, account staff and employees. You can see error 1140 in aggregating query without goodbye, blah blah blah. So you cannot have this guy. This guy cannot do that rubbish you just did that time. So if I want to make this guy run successful, you have to put a goodbye clause. Then I have to goodbye this particular column I'm putting in T. So any column that does not have the aggregating function, you have to group by it if they have to be in that query. So you have to put group by office underscore ID. So this is going to give you the count of employees in each offices in that regard. So 4 for office 2, 4 for office 3, 4 for office 4, 3 for office 5, 1 for office 10, 4 for office 11. So everything should give you 20 employees in total. I guess that is cool.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
let's say you want to allow that rubbish to occur again. You just come here again. Then put this on this query, set SQL mode and put empty quotes. Then that rubbish again like that. I said got the result again.
Yeah.
Let me go and set that rubbish next one. We've talked about using more than one table. Okay. Okay, so So you can also use let's database I'm currently using. You can see select database is the database function. So this is going to tell you the database that's currently in use. So you can see
Okay.
SQL Class what is in use. And if I want to see the tables, you can just say show tables and end with a semicolon. I want to see tables in the current database that is in use. I want to try something. Shows. Let me go and pick again. I want to see something. I want to try something. I've not tried this before.
Okay.
Okay. There's a way I can get this information. I can use it. But there's a way I can get it. I can't remember. Okay. Um, I think we talked about subqueries to correlated subquery and uncorrelated subquery. And I've talked about okay. So I think we are going to talk more about this thing in subsequent classes, but I think we understand the concept of left join, right join, inner join,
Yeah.
and
Yes.
okay. 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 So let me see something. I want to explore something. Select star from employee. Example, I have this guy. Okay, I think we know that we can search on two field values, even two or more field values. I can say, okay, so let's start from employees where the job title is equals to, or maybe I don't want to say the job title, say where office ID is equals to 2, or salary is greater than 6,000. You know, I can do that, right?
Yeah. Yeah. We did a similar thing earlier. Yeah.
So that's in the and or or logical operator. And we also understand auto increment too. Okay. Okay. Um, all right. So I think uh, I can just close this shared environment. I think we are done here. I can
Okay.
just exit. I think I can use exit to close this guy. So let me enter. Let me see whether it's going to work. It didn't work. Oh.
think it's slash exit or something.
Let's try backslash exit.
Backslash, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's work. It's worked the magic. So we are back to our workbench that we used to use. This workbench is like you just you just be scrolling and just check, just pick, like command.
Exactly. Yeah.
So there's a stored procedure I created last week. What is stored procedure? I think you missed that part. There's a stored procedure I created last week. Let me check the under which I created. Oh, I wasn't using this system. It's not this system I was using. So let me put that procedure again. So what was I doing? Okay, I used SQL underscore invoicing. So this we end the class on this name. SQL underscore invoicing. Is it invoicing? Yeah. Invoicing database. That's what I use. Now and I use a particular table in this. So let's say invoices. Select star on invoices. For example now. Now the procedure, what's the procedure trying to solve? Okay, I want to write a procedure whereby I can track the invoices some people generated in a particular day. Are you with me? Hello, are you with me? Ah, this is the same time he actually lost. I actually lost him in this particular period. That's true. I don't know what's wrong with this one. So I guess we lost the other. Okay, so let me just end on that note. So we were trying to create a procedure that is going to check. Okay, I need to check the invoice someone made in a particular day. I think he's back on the call. Okay,
Can
wait.
you
Yeah, I can hear
hear
you.
me? Sorry about. Yeah.
I think it was at this particular point I lost you the last time I wanted to explain this concept to you. To
Ah,
explain
you see, wow. No, I must stay on today.
there is a liar. So
Amen. Big liar.
so so
Okay.
the procedure I created that okay, this invoice table, I want to track the invoices some people are generating in a particular day. Okay, maybe
Okay.
8th of August 2020, I want to see the invoices generated in that particular day. So I want to create a procedure whereby I'll just come. Okay, in that procedure, I'll just pass the date I want to see the invoice date in that particular day. I'll just pass the date there and I'll be able to see what I'm looking for. Are you with me?
Okay. I'm with you.
So create procedure, create procedure, invoice, what should I call it here? This invoice per day. So it's going to take the input, then I will call it my date. and it's going to sorry my date. Then it's going to be a date at so let me put the delimiter here. Delimiter, right? Then so I will say begin. I will say begin select star one. Let me just specify invoices. Okay. Invoice date is equals to my date. So when invoice date is equals to my date. Okay. And I'll end this with a new colon here. And I'll end and I'll call my delimiter back. What's wrong? Let me move this colon. Let me move this code. Okay. So create procedure invoice by date. It's taking an input which is my underscore date. Then this is your date format. Okay, begin select start from invoices where invoice date is equals to my date. And then change the limiter back. So let's run this.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's refresh. Let's go to okay, stop procedure. Okay, this is the procedure we have now.
All right.
So let's see. Let me just select start from this guy. Let's say I want to see the invoice that was generated in this particular day, 31st of July 2019. So I'll just call the procedure name invoice all. That's how you run the procedure. Invoice okay. Then put the date you are looking for there. 2019 07 81. So this should give you the invoice generated on this particular day from the invoices dataset and invoices table. So you can see.
Okay.
So we'll end on this note, and tomorrow by God's grace we'll continue.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. Thank you.
All right. Take care of
Yeah.
yourself.
All right.